In order to make the payment to HireCab, we have different options available. You can make the payment through credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Paytm, bank transfer, bank deposit. All the options are available. So in order to book this cab, you have to make a partial payment. That means an advance amount, which can be made through Google Pay, Paytm, or bank transfer. And once that is done, rest of the payment can be done to the driver directly, which you can make partially, like some money while you sitting in the car, or some money in the middle of the journey, and rest of the amount can be paid at the end of the journey. And that's the process. So in order to make the payment, you can get the details from us, like Google Pay details, which is also listed there on our website, and rest of the details. Thank you. That's all. HireCab.